Hello and welcome. Now we are going to start the process by creating a new project. We're then going to open a blank project, and then we're going to give our project a name. So we already have certain individuals on our team in Basecamp. We can invite some of those individuals to the team for this project. So we're going to start the process here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go to this Invite tab, and then we're going to start inviting individuals to the project. So we now have the 4 individuals that we want to be part of the team. We're now going to customize our welcome message. So our welcome message is now written. We've asked everyone to place it on their things to do to check Basecamp daily, and now we're going to send the invitation. Now 3 of the individuals are already part of our Basecamp, so they will not have to confirm their participation. There's 1 individual, though, that has not been made part of the team. They were outside of our workspace. So they'll need to go to their email and they'll need to make sure to verify that they want to be part of this project. So what this individual has to do is they have to accept the invitation to become part of Basecamp and part of the project. So we're going to go ahead and click this link. And they're going to go ahead and create a new account. And the new individual is now part of the project. And we should see the same thing reflected if we refresh the page. And you'll notice now that this individual is now part of the team. And now that we're on the inside of the project, we're going to click Invite More People, and then you'll see the individuals again. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.